In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps and pick Settings, then find and select System and reach Reset Options. And here just click on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and if you really want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, just click on Reset Settings. And then confirm that you truly want to perform this operation by tapping on Reset Settings. Okay, just give it a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.